Hi, this is Debora Stewart, and in this video I'm showing you the beginning stages and some of my process in working on an abstracted bouquet with oil sticks. So I painted over a previous painting, I do that a lot, with some Liquitex clear gesso mixed with some kind of a fluid cadmium red paint so I could make it, a red gesso. And I put that on my previous painting and I painted over it after it was dry and started it with Shiva oil stick and let that dry overnight, and then came back the next day and started applying some R&F pigment sticks. So that is what you're seeing in this video. I love using the R&F pigment sticks, and I've been developing a series of my own on abstracted bouquets, both in pastel and with oil sticks. And then I also recently put together a course on Teachable, where I'm showing a lot of information on how to do that if you're interested. So hope you enjoy this video, and thanks for watching, and hope you subscribe. Well, here I'm working on a painting of a bouquet. I painted over a canvas with some Liquitex clear gesso mixed with some cadmium red paint so I could have more of a textured surface to work on. And I'm using a photograph that I took of a bouquet, and I've put it through my Notanizer app on my phone so that I can just see the darks and lights. And here I have been applying some black Shiva oil stick, and I'm scraping through it with a silicone shaper, and I'm really just trying to get a loose representation down on this red canvas, because my intention is going to be to let some red pop through. Well, now I'm starting to add some color on top of the dried black drawing that I did on the red underpainting. And as far as the color scheme goes, I'm really using one of my pastels that I have hanging on the wall. You can't see it, but it is there, and I'm really using it to kind of guide my pastel choices. Well, I'm really choosing some colors that I use a lot with floral pastels, and that would be reds, red violet, orange, and some variations in value, and then some yellow green, some olive, and kind of a raw umber type of a color. Those are the colors that I'm using for this experimental, really expressive abstract bouquet on a red canvas. Sometimes I take the oil sticks or some regular oil paint and I mix them together on a palette and apply with a brush or a palette knife, in addition to applying the oil sticks directly on the canvas, as almost like with pastel mark making. I just really try to put a lot of different marks in the piece, going different directions, layering as I go, and my pastel experience really has come into play with using the pigment sticks in this experiment with this abstracted bouquet. It's a lot of fun. I really enjoy it. So, abstract bouquets are one of the series that I'm currently working on and developing. Most of them with the R&F pigment sticks, combination of other oil paints, working on bold colored canvases, and just trying some different experimental techniques. So I recently put together an online course through Teachable. If you're interested in that, that would be something that would give you a lot of information on the different things that I do, the different things that you can try, and you can check that out by going to the link that is included with this video. And also, if you want to learn more, I have a Patreon channel, and I put a lot of different things on Patreon, including pastels, acrylic painting, oil sticks, oil and cold wax, a lot of things that I'm always experimenting and sharing those things with my Patreon members. And be sure to subscribe here on my YouTube channel. And thanks for watching.